How to make Android mobile faster. Making your Android mobile device faster can significantly improve your overall user experience. So guys, here are several effective methods to enhance your device performance. The most effective method is to enable the developer options. So to do this, open up the settings either in your home screen or your app drawer, find the settings app and open it up. Now the next thing you want to do is to tap on my phone or about phone option, whichever you are provided with. Tap on it and this will open features of your phone, your device name, the RAM, the model, the version, the battery, whatever. So you can just tap and scroll down till you find the build number option, as you can see on the screen. Alright, to enable the developer option, what you want to do is to tap on this build number option 7 times in a quick succession. Alright, let's do that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And the next thing, after the 7th tap, you are prompted to enter your device pin or unlock pattern, whichever, to confirm you are the one taking this action. So just enter your pin or pattern. After entering your pin, you will see a message that says you are now a developer, and that is it. Alright guys, now go back to the settings and scroll down and tap on the option system. In the system settings menu, scroll, you can now see the option developer options. Previously the option was not there, but since your device is now in developers menu, so you just tap on this developer option and you can see a lot of developer options you can enable on your device. Alright guys, so just scroll all the way to the bottom, keep scrolling till you find the animation menu. Just keep scrolling till you find the window. Okay, this is it, the window animation skill. Tap on it and change it from 1x to 0.5x, or you can even turn it off. Just leave it at 0.5x. Now tap on transition animation skill from 1x to 0.5x. Tap on animator duration scale from 1x to 0.5x, and that is it. You can also enable other developer options as you desire, and this will make your Android device faster. It's so easy guys. Additionally, to make your Android phone faster, you can uninstall unused app. So just scroll through your app drawer, review all your installed app and identify the app you no longer use. Okay, you can just tap on it to open it. A menu appear. Select the app info. In the app settings menu, you can see the option for uninstall. You can uninstall it. You can also clear cache and free up storage in your settings. So all this can make your mobile phone faster, but the most effective is to use the developer option. So guys, by following this step, you can significantly improve the speed and performance of your Android mobile device. Regular maintenance and mindful usage can make your device running smoothly for longer periods. If you have any thought or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, hit the notification bell to get notified when more useful content like this are posted. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.